Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to do a bill condensing today and also a bill swap where possible. I'm going to start with the smallest binder, which starts with the £5 challenge, and I have £200 already in placeholders here, so I'll just count this up. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. That's 400 there. $405, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm going to leave this 25 here for the minute, and I'm going to put £400 in placeholders. That's 1, 2. Let's have a look. 1, 2. I like those two. 3. 4. So that's 400 in placeholders. Lovely. And then I'm just going to change this up for £20 notes. 5, 10, 15, 20. And I'll put all that back. I've changed up 400. I'm just making a note of that. And then I don't have much in the 3 months challenge because I've just started that. There's only 15 in there. And then for my Sagittarius challenge, I've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So if I $10 for that, and I'll put 20. Got to be so careful because it could get pretty confusing. Maybe if I had done, this is my savings challenge for this week, so that one's finished. Maybe if I condense first and then do the bill swap, I'll see how that goes. I'm not as nervous as the first time I did it, but it's still, still cause for concentration. Right, so this is my luck of the draw. Let's have a look, see what we've got in luck of the draw. We've got 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Oh, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So if I put 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, away. What have we got here? 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, there we go. Lovely. We put that back in the luck of the drawer. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. That one's done. That's 120. And then the 30 for 30, the holiday countdown. I did count this the other week. I was quite shocked. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 480 pounds in here. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Right, let's just recount this. Lovely, that's 400 there, and I will put that here. $400, right? I'll do a pink and a gold. 2, 3, 400 there. Let's see what we got here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. That's 80. 20, 40, 60, 80. That's 480 there. In the 30 for 30. Holiday countdown. 30 for 30, so that's 400. And then the contact craze. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. That's 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40. 65. Yep. And then when it rains, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 105. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. For 20, 40, 60, 80. 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 105. Was that right? Yes, that was right. And it rains. And I need to change up these coins. I'm going to take them out as well. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's £10. Okay, and then we have the roll the dice. I only started this a few weeks ago, but there's money belonging to roll the dice, double the savings challenge in here as well as the usual roll the dice. I think it's just for bill swapping. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, let's do that again. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. Lovely. That's in the roll the dice. Great. That's my rollover for my savings challenges. Okay, so that's it. I think that's it. Okay, let's have a look. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. I'm just going to get the calculator because I'm terrible. So we've got 200 already. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 560. Oh, the £5 notes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. That's £790. £790 there. That's excellent. I'm really pleased with that. Really pleased. and that's all been saved. So that's going off to the bank. Actually, plus £10. So that's 790. Add 10. £800 exactly. 800 quid. That's off to the bank. Yay! That's all been saved in savings challenges. No stress, no fuss. This was all in the budget, what I had to put into savings challenges, and this is the amount so far. And this is on a very low budget, extremely low. This is the bare minimum of savings challenges stuffing. That's right here. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.